Well, welcome everybody to this is Bonsai Through Friendship here at Shisei-en Bonsai Nursery here in Chino, California. So this is David and June's nursery, and they're having basically a bonsai open house. They're sponsoring it, and it's really a great way to get people involved in bonsai, kind of visit the nursery. And they provide food. They're doing some demo right now in the front. I'm going to do a quick splice right now. And of course, they're doing a massive raffle a little later today. So I'm just going to go through their nursery, their bonsai stock, and then their some of their pots that they have here. So this is one of some of David's and June's private collection of collected California junipers. And some are been grafted, some are natural foliage. You can see this is a natural foliage. Most of these are on pedestals, if you don't notice. I'm just doing a quick run through. I'm going to probably come back later in the springtime to just really have a private tour of his nursery and just kind of interview David and June, but just give you a quick idea of some of these trees that he has here. Here, the Rocky Mountain juniper was kind of cool. Really have this really cool selection of trees that have a massive deadwood and really cool foliage. Of course, this is David and June's private residence. It's kind of cool seeing a full display garden, tea house, and everything. That's kind of built in. So if you haven't been here, it's a really cool kind of good place to kind of visit, get some ideas how to set up your garden if you're looking into that. All right, you can see from the bougainvilleas, this is a great time to visit. Really some great flowering. This is really unusual tree if you're looking for unusual stuff. Jacoba, I think that's how you pronounce it. This is the grape yogurt flavored tree that the fruit grows on the trunk itself. You know, this is an old tree and just based on the fruiting of it, but something unusual that you don't normally see. Of course, David and June has some stock if you are looking for some particular tree items. You got some junipers, you got some crepe myrtles here in the front that's been cut already. He has very limited amount of Japanese maples, but he does have some California junipers. So if you're looking for California junipers, you can tell about that from the termite on the deadwood. He has some trees if you're looking for that. So if you're looking for something that's unusual, he might actually have something for you. So just give me an idea here. Let's walk in really quick. You can see there's a giant California juniper. So if you're looking for something like that, he has that. You're looking for something smaller, some black pines, some sapling black pines. Of course, he has some of that too. Some more unusual varieties he has. He has a silverberry right there. I know he has some Chinese quince in the back. I'm wondering if he has any more. If you're looking for some olives, of course he has some olives right there for you too. He's been experimenting with azaleas. So here's some azaleas. We're at the end of the season, so these are going to be cleaned out flowers by. We can see he has a whole sea full of azaleas. You're looking for azaleas. So of course you're looking for some larger pots. So David and June always brings a very small selection of pots that they have at places where they've been, at shows events, but this gives an idea of scale and size. They have plenty of pots. So you're looking for a particular pot size, they might have it here. They don't always bring everything. Just to give you an idea. I mean, here's the pot. I think this is like 22 inches across, so and about 6 inches deep. Of course, you got bigger pots over there. So again, Dave and June, surprisingly not, they may have a pot that if you need something on the larger end, they may have it. So it's a great time to come by. Of course, call beforehand. I'll leave some of his contact information, Dave and June's contact information, in the description below. So if you want to come by, visit. It's great to come by on a weekday. I have come by a couple times in a weekday, and you get a one-on-one service with these guys, like A1 choice type of customer service. You won't believe. I'll show you something actually I found that's kind of interesting over here. Now this is kind of interesting. I've been putting a small pond in my backyard. You have not noticed. Just been growing out for a couple years. Just kind of learning the kind of ecology of it. They're actually did one step up. Instead of putting in a giant pot or an urn, they actually built these tubs out of these not landscape fabric, but the pond fabric. So it's self-contained under shade cloth. It was kind of cool. You can see the little mosquito fish. You can see the little mosquito fish swim across. So it's a viable system. So something to think about if you're looking for, aquaponics. This is kind of big deal. Kind of interesting.
You know how to take care. The fish stay with you forever. Right?
My boss told me
And the match between two of them. Hello, everyone.
No.
Did you enjoy so far?
I'm sorry, traffic jam.
Good, thank you. So, how about the food?
Excuse me, I go by.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you for all of you come to support us. Without your support, we don't have this event today. Hopefully, we continue to run it every year. But we are old now. That's the problem. Hopefully, we still continue to run it. All right. So I believe San Diego have a bus trip today, right? Excuse me, guys. So you look as we have the opens over here, right? Let me arrange all the branches and then I can fill up this area. After they started everything, then they show you how it look like. You don't have to go with the small one.
All right, so that's just a snippet of what's going on today here at Shisei-en Garden here in David June's. If you were here, leave a comment, and if you're in the video, kind of post where you were. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.